Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 9th, 2025. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this Jigsaw Sudoku. News of the day, well, I've told you Greenland is not for sale. This man wants Greenland and also the Panama Canal, not for sale. Alright, first the third puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one will be number 9870. 9870. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars puzzle. 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher, but the 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. Well, let me see. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well. First question to you is: Can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. Let me see. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Next question: Do we have a dual box? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question: triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Here also a quarter box. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. More quarter boxes? No. How about my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following shape, only 2 of them. The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Let me see. 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then this box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a 1, double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 or a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Well, I don't think this box will be a 5, because if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, will be so 5, but we already have a 5 here. So I think this box should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box, should be so 1, is also connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape supposed to be there. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So these 3 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. Then, let me see, 1 and a 3. Come on, come on, come on. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area. For numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, this box cannot be 3 or a 5. You have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, supposed to be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Then, let me see. Come on, what's happening here? 2 and a 4. This box, well, what's happening here? I cannot fill this yet. It's unclosed. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left and 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Oh, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. But how about here? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 2, I need a 4 here. 2, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. It's unclosed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. We have a double 3. Oh, yeah, I made a mistake. It's not the 3 and a 5. It should be the 3 and a 4 here. Ay. That's why. This is not good. Don't know if this is correct here. Okay. 2 and a 4. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. This should be a 5 then. Because this can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So this box should be a 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left, 1 was 3 and the 4. This box should be a 2 then, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3 or 4. We have double 3 there, double 4 there, can be a 5. Is this 5 correct? Yeah. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay, 2 and a 4, okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. This is correct. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, I need to wait here. I think, okay, these 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this W area shape is supposed to be here. This box can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place level 4 in this W area shape is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left of the 3s in this W area shape supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left of the 3 in this quarter box should be there, is connected with that box. So 3. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and a 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And what's this now? 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes with an hour. Otherwise, I will be faster. Alright, let me give this a 2 stars. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.